Willing to introduce to you our final project for this hackathon, BengaluruDuru. Our project was created with an aim to create AI-driven websites available to citizens and government officials of Bengaluru, with the primary reason of identifying and prioritizing issues in Bengaluru based on geography. This will help officials to organize, reduce, and recognize problems and solve them efficiently. So now let's look at how this website works in the first place. Here we will be logging in through DigiLocker to prevent any sort of malpractice when it comes to vote or opinion casting or any sort of diversions or such. And here we will just show you a small demo of the another number which we have given on random and a few details which we give on random. One special thing about our website is not the fact is the fact that we have multiple languages, including obscure languages that has rarely been considered about when we talk about Karnataka. For example, Tulu and Konkani. These two languages are quite commonly spoken in Karnataka, but aren't talked about as much. So now we will just this will send an OTP, and for now we don't really integrate with DigiLocker. We'll just give a demo OTP. There is a map where we see general issues which have been posted by different people. These issues are dynamic, can be given to natural language. You don't need to know any sort of code, even basic code, nothing. You just need to talk generally in your own language, and our AI will understand it and categorize it accordingly for people to sort it. Here we have many languages: Kannada, Tulu, and Konkani. Here's how you report an issue mainly. So use natural language to type a small query, any issue, and then we can upload an image proving that our issue exists. This is optional, completely optional for us users. Let's upload it now. We see a portal, and then we can optionally mark this here on the map. This makes it easier, although we have integrated our AI is smart enough to understand what exactly the location which you're giving, and most of the cases it will detect the location and it will put it on song. Yep. So now we see that our grievance has been filed successfully. Let's exactly see what the officer or government official in charge would see for this grievance. And let's go here for government official or admin access. Now we will sign in as an officer. This is an officer view with multiple alerts to detect, to show him or her about what exactly to prioritize and how many people are actually disturbed. And there are a lot of interesting statistics which our officer might need, and category breakdown and all of this. And we have also this sorting algorithm which we use is engagement-based sorting, where the dashboard will sort by impact, the number of votes or affected citizens, and rather than age-old methods like date prioritizing or alphabetical order all that stuff. Now let's go to assignments. This tab is for the government officer. So the government officer can look through the issues that people have found. Yeah. So we are implementing something called the public proof system, where we emphasize on transparency. So the government official will be mandated. It is not optional for him or her to not just keep uploading a picture. It's mandated, and there's a 24-hour verification window which will be demonstrated soon about how exactly about the users or anyone, not just a person who filed a grievance. Just anyone can log in and check if it is actually verified or not. And uploading a mandatory photo of the fix itself. Yep. So as you notice here, citizen will verify it within their 24-hour window. We can look at other pending verifications. You can see. You can go here and you can look that the number of hours will also be shown. Now let's log out and go back to citizens view just to show you how to accept it. So meanwhile in citizens view, you'll find that it requires pending verification. Let's go to the details panel, and yes, we get to see the officer's proof, and then we can say the fix looks good. Yes, now this issue is resolved and this problem is done. Thank you so much for watching.